Something is off with these Tyre Nichols video footage of the police beating, and here's why. Most of the news footage on YouTube are about 30 minutes long, and they don't really zoom in and show you the details of what happened as far as the actual beating is concerned. But here's more. It took 5 videos for me to watch to finally get to News Channel 5, where they actually showed 4 different angles, and even then it wasn't very specific and it didn't show the full footage, as if it was edited maybe for the cops' best interest. But keep watching. One of the most disturbing videos here on TikTok is of the cops saying it was so hard to pin him down. They had no compassion, and I even heard one of the cops laughing. But let's continue. America, when are incidents like this going to end? Enough is enough. Let's watch some video footage of what Tyre Nichols, one of the things he loved doing the most, which was skateboarding.
He go to Shelby Farms because he liked to skateboard. That was his passion. He's been skating since he was 6 years old.